Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add terms of service to your Shopify footer. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify store. So after logging into your main account and be greeted by your store, here at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started with making our terms of service that we can add to your store. Basically guys, all you have to do is just go right here at the bottom of the page and click the settings icon. After clicking the settings icon, this is not going to open up the main settings menu where we can take a look at all the options we can manage for our store, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. And what we want to do is go right here at the bottom of the page, so scroll all the way down and find this section right here that says policies. You want to go ahead and open up the policies option. So click policies, and after opening up policies guys, this is not going to go ahead and find this page where you can take a look at all the written policies that we have for our website and our store. So we have the privacy policy, and one of the options is terms of service. So all you have to do to be able to edit it is just click on it right here. As you can see, I have already made my terms of service that says no refunds. So you can type out whatever you want, no refunds, prices, discussable, and so on. You can type out whatever you want, and after that just click the save button and save it, and this is now going to be applied to your store and everybody will be able to take a look at your terms of service. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.